Former Mrs. Iowa 2017 runners-up Konsam Asha Kiran was conferred the WEAA National Award 2020 for fitness. The award was presented to her yesterday at Hotel Stardom, Jaipur. Asha Kiran is the wife of R.K. Pavitra and mother of two. Sea Donye festival celebrations began with traditional fervour in parts of Arunachal Pradesh. Attending the third day of the festival in Upper Subamsiri headquarters of Dapur Rizo, Tazin Cultural Society Secretary General Larde Kare underscored the need to preserve one's language along with the flora and fauna. The 3-day Namprik Dang Namsung Festival at Namprik Dang of Upper Zungo in Sikkim concluded yesterday. The final day had Sikkim Legislative Assembly Speaker LB Das as the chief guest. The last day of the festival witnessed eye-catching cultural show, release of a Lepcha book and video album, raffle declaration, football final and musical night. At least 28 students were injured as violence broke out at Jawaharlal Nehru University in Delhi. According to media reports, masked miscreants attacked students and teachers of the university and damaged property on the campus.